Hello, my name is Curtis Morrison with Red Eagle Law. On June 9th, 2025, President Trump's latest travel ban went into effect. The ban unfairly impacts thousands of visa applicants across multiple visa categories. At Red Eagle Law, we are trying to amend some of our complaints in our existing lawsuits to challenge the travel ban as unlawful. Also, we are offering new group lawsuits to challenge the ban. This video is about an opportunity for DV2025 selectees who have already attended interviews to participate in a group lawsuit to challenge the legality of the travel ban. We will be filing this group lawsuit in the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia. There are important dates to remember. The deadline to participate in this group lawsuit is Tuesday, July 8th, 2025. We plan to file the complaint to initiate the lawsuit on July 15th, 2025. These are firm dates. Let's talk about requirements to participate in the group lawsuit. To participate in this group lawsuit, DV2025 selectees must have completed and submitted their DS-260, attended immigrant visa interviews, and gone in administrative processing, or have already been refused under the travel ban. Also, you must be a national of one of the countries impacted by the travel ban. Okay, so let's talk about the cost to participate. The attorney fees to participate as a plaintiff in this lawsuit will be $500 for each DV2025 selectee. This fee includes the cost of participation of all derivative beneficiaries in the lawsuit as plaintiffs as well, regardless of family size. The attorney fee is due in advance of the representation. Deferred payments, installed payments, or payment plans will not be offered with this lawsuit. Okay, so we have an important disclosure. This group lawsuit is unique. With this group lawsuit, we will be advancing an untested and novel legal strategy. And so it is important that participants have hope for our success, but not an expectation for success. It would not be appropriate to have an expectation for success with this lawsuit. Finally, let's talk about how to move forward. To participate in this group lawsuit, you will need to follow onboarding instructions on our website, redeaglelaw.com. If you have questions about this opportunity, please reach out to us quickly, because if you wait until the last day of onboarding, we will be very busy and you may not get your answer in time to participate. Thank you for your time in considering this opportunity.